Hello everybody, we're gonna try out the Mercenaries mode in Resident Evil 4 in VR. But instead of doing the classics like we've been doing, we're gonna try out the challenge and see what happens. So, unleash the Chicago Typewriter. This nostalgic gangster weapon has unlimited ammo and never needs to be reloaded. Let's see what happens. I'm kind of okay with this. Start. And I'm pretty confident that I have the movement controls down and whatnot. So, at some point... Oh, hello. So, at some point, I'm gonna start the campaign. Oh, somebody's shooting at it. Why won't you die? Oh, 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 oh. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that guy had a machine gun. Oh, hello. That's a bomb. Oh, what just happened? What just happened? Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, where did you come from? Oh, that's super fast-paced. Alright, we're going to combine. Can that combine? That can't combine. We're gonna wait till he blows up. Alright, on to the next. Oh, there's another guy with a machine gun. Why won't you die? Oh, because I died instead. Okay. Alright. That was a little fast-paced. I kind of like it.